Welcome to JH. Newellme Happy Cleaner claims it can detoxify your body, boost your immunity, and balance your gut all while keeping your energy levels perfectly stable. It sounds like a miracle in a jar, doesn't it? Or perhaps just a very expensive way to have more frequent bathroom breaks. Many people are asking if this is a legitimate health solution or just a masterclass in clever marketing. Let's break it down, starting with that doctor in their advertisements. That's actually an AI-generated image, not a real person with a medical degree. Because nothing screams trustworthy medical advice, quite like a doctor who literally does not exist in the physical realm. The company leans heavily on buzzwords like cleanse, antioxidant, and adaptogen. While these sound incredibly impressive at a dinner party, they are scientifically vague terms used to bypass actual regulation. It's the supplement equivalent of a live, laugh, love sign. It looks nice, but doesn't actually do anything for your health. Furthermore, the product claims to fix everything at once, from your gut to your energy levels. Let's be real. If one powder could solve every physical ailment, doctors would be out of a job, and we'd all be vibrating on a higher plane of existence by now. Usually, when a product promises the world, it's a sign the focus is on your wallet rather than your wellness. Lastly, there is a suspicious lack of real customer reviews. You won't find them on their website or Trustpilot, which is a bit of a problem when you're asking people to ingest your mystery powder. It's almost as if the only people happy about this cleaner are the marketing team who designed the fake doctor. When you combine AI-generated imagery, vague health claims, and a total absence of feedback, Newellme Happy Cleaner raises some serious red flags. Until there is genuine proof from real human beings, it's probably safer to keep your money and your health elsewhere. Thanks for watching until the end, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more honest breakdowns like this.